I came to realize that a joyful life rests on three foundational principles. First, take care of the body. Second, become aware of your emotional energy. Third, observe what I call MTPIs, your memories, thoughts, perceptions, and identities. Let's look at how the first two are closely connected. To begin with, my body has mass. It's made up of cells, bones, organs, blood, and fluids, all of which give it weight, or M in kilograms. Now, according to Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, mass and energy are not separate things. They are different forms of the same reality, just like light and darkness, truth and falsehood, or the two sides of a coin. Mass and energy are deeply connected. So, by Einstein's logic, anything that has mass must also have energy. That means my body, which has mass, must hold and exchange energy as well. In fact, my body is constantly, every single second, interacting with the natural world through energy exchange. Think of breathing. If my body stops the energy transaction, I won't survive. Similarly, I absorb energy from food, sunlight, heat, gravity, and even cosmic radiation. This energy fuels everything my body does. The energy my body absorbs is used in different ways. It powers all your vital functions, organs, respiration, reproduction. It fuels my thinking and my movements. Every part of me needs energy to work. But for me, one kind of energy stood out: emotional energy. We all experience emotions: joy, sadness, fear, anxiety, happiness, even depression. But the way we express and carry these emotions creates emotional energy. And I found that if I wanted a joyful life, I had to focus on managing this kind of energy. To manage emotional energy, I needed to understand how it behaves. Only then could I begin to influence it in the way I wanted. Now, to understand the physical body, which is a mass-based object, Newtonian physics is enough. Newton's laws can help us understand and predict how a body will behave based on its mass, speed, and elevation. For example, I can calculate potential energy when I'm standing on a hill, or kinetic energy when I'm moving. So if my body has no accidents, illness, or severe trauma, and if I follow a good body routine, its behavior and output can be predicted and managed. But when it comes to emotional energy or energy waves, Newtonian physics falls short. It simply can't explain the waves of energy within us or around us. For that, I turn to quantum mechanics. The principles of quantum physics help us understand how energy flows in the form of waves. Waves that influence how we feel, how we react, and how we experience life. By learning how this energy behaves, I could begin to manage it, and with that, cultivate more joy, freedom, and bliss. JFB. Interestingly, these waves of energy are also governed, at least symbolically, by Maxwell's electromagnetic field equations. While we may not apply them scientifically, they offer a powerful metaphor, and we'll explore how Maxwell's ideas can help us practically understand and work with our emotional energy. Stay tuned.